Welcome, cartel members, to the clusterfuck that is the election. Who won? Who lost? Who's gonna be mad? Right now we got cities celebrating Donald Trump's loss. How are they gonna feel when that victory is taken from them? I can care less, to be honest, but you understand there's a war brewing. There's a civil war brewing, guys. And I don't know if there's a way out of it. You can't give the victory to Biden because you're going to have 70 million Patriots angry and ready to go. You can't take it away at this point from the Biden supporters because they got their Antifa and Black Lives Matter ready to burn down each and every city. Now, I say let them burn down the cities. Personally, I think this has to happen. I don't know if there's a way out of it. I don't know. It almost feels like it's all been orchestrated to be, to go into this exact moment. So I want everybody to really think to themselves about their future, what they've done to prepare. And I'm not talking about going out there and fighting this war. I'm talking about protecting your family, because the rumor on the rumor mill is that they're going to bring in NATO. And it's going to be an all-out war. They're going to say that Trump is refusing to leave and we need to bring him out, and he's using the U.S. Army and military to effectively perform a military coup is what they're going to say. And it's going to be an all-out war. This is what is on the rumor mill, okay? You decide. I'm worried, though, guys. I'm worried for everybody involved. This whole thing has put mother against son, father against daughter, brother against sister, sister versus brother. It's a terrible situation right now. And I don't think any of us really are weighing the situation properly. Now, I don't know what needs to happen or what should happen or what's going to happen. All I know is that it is a clusterfuck. It is a dumpster fire right now. And the only way out, honestly, is for one side to concede. Now, I'm not saying it's going to stop damage to property or it's going to stop deaths and all that, but a full-blown civil war is going to require one side to concede, and that's not going to happen. You heard Hillary Clinton tell Joe Biden before he was supposedly elected, do not concede under any circumstances. And Trump isn't going to concede, nor would I want him to. So just wanted to give everybody an update as to what's going on. Rumor is that they might bring in NATO here. That's what the whole dark winter is referring to. They're going to create this whole situation so it boils over for when Trump takes office. That's all I have for you guys. Please subscribe, share, like, follow, hold the line. It's the only thing we can do at this point. Hold that damn line. I'm going to leave you guys with some illegal words, played with some illegal instruments from the movie Braveheart. But if you guys could just do me the favor and subscribe, like, share. The other channel has been hit with probably about 10-15 strikes. You only get 3 strikes, but I guess if you're hit with strikes while you're on a probation period or a strike period, strikes don't really count, I guess, is what they were explaining to me. So right now my channel is sitting at 2 strikes and I've had to delete all the videos on it. So I won't be posting there for 6 months. Don't unsubscribe. Subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting here for the time being. And then when in 6 months has passed and the strikes fall off, I will go back to the other channel as well. So with that said, guys, please enjoy the rest of this video. And as always, you know the routine. To God be the glory.
What are they doing?
Saying goodbye in their own way. Playing outlawed tunes on outlawed pipes. It was the same for me and your daddy when our father was killed. First, learn to use this. Then I'll teach you to use this.